how do you know, when you're blown away by the quality of the work and the professionalism of this team. I am beyond impressed, it's been amazing. Amazing is too overly used. How do we say that? It is remarkable. The
awesome,
job.
exceptional.
Remarkable, exceptional. Remarkable or exceptional.
Thank you.
And I have been beyond impressed.
Thank you. Thank you, Veronica. It means a lot coming from you.
The quality of the work, the professionalism, the thoughtfulness of how you go about executing for your customers is impressive.
Thank you.
I highly recommend your services to anyone who's looking for the highest quality of work and output to inspire their own clients.
Veronica, it's been a privilege and a pleasure working with you. You're an awesome client. And we're just so happy that you allowed us the creative freedom to make your website as beautiful as it looks right now. So thank you for that.
Yeah, and now it will continue to be like that, the freedom of creativity for you to continue to engage with me, because as I said, I trust you. And awesome. Thank you.